Put your mic in there. We've got plenty of power. Good evening, everyone. Are we live?
You are.
Good evening. Hello. We are live from Las Vegas and all of the glitz and glitter that comes with it. We're in the room. Anyway, in case you guys don't know, this is my sister.
Hi.
Renee.
I'm Renee.
I have another sister too, but she's not here. So I'm not
She's
giving.
here in spirit.
Yeah, I'm not giving her any billing because she didn't show up.
She didn't come.
Yeah, that's right. But she never watches these things.
I do.
I know you do. I know you do. You chime in all the time. So, in case you guys were wondering about my older sister who chimes in on these lives,
Nat Renee.
this is Nat Renee from Alaska, and her other half is down barbecuing steaks down at the pool side as we speak. So we're going to run through this pretty quick. Do we have people coming in? Oh, good. So good evening, everybody. Good things happening. We're just, we got away for a day. We're back to the shop tomorrow, and tomorrow night we'll be on YouTube Live. I get confused easily, but we'll be on YouTube Live, and Dad will be there, and so.
It's time to come out.
No,
Oh, was that the buzzer?
Hi, Carmen.
it's heating up to cook that chicken.
Hey, Carmen.
Chicken in the oven.
Anyway, so I've got.
I'd like to know, how's everything look, you guys? How's the sound?
Oh,
How's
yeah.
the picture?
That's always a iffy question.
Now we have a picture to go with the name.
Yeah, that's right. There you go. There you go.
Evening from sunny Scotland. Hi, Gary.
Woohoo!
Hey, Gary. So yeah, we're not on our.
Frank Jenkins. Hi, Renee. I still want you to adopt me so Dad Dave can be my grandpa.
Bull should say that too, so he can get the hat, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sound and pictures great.
Good.
Okay.
And are you just going with it? You're just going off the data.
So you're in America now. You're not out in the boony woonies.
You're not in the middle of the desert. Yeah, yeah. So anyway, good. We're having a great time. We're up here the day before yesterday. Renee's in town. Renee and Steve and my niece and nephew. Hopefully you guys will see them soon. And they're in town until early next week. And we're going to be doing some more things. Let's see. Yeah, I'm hoping that the senior moment will be a little bit special this week. Anyway, so let me get to the question. Or you want me to start on the question, babe? Okay, so I've got a question. I picked this question specifically because I knew Renee was going to be here. In case you guys don't know, Renee is a sign maker as well, but she does it a little bit different than me. How do you do your signs?
Well, I have a Carve-Right CNC machine. Steve still does the edges by hand and belt sands it off, but I do all the routing with my machine and the layout, and it's all computerized. So, I mean, there's still skill, but not like what you guys do, which is awesome. I just do mine a little different, but it is a CNC machine. It's a Carve-Right.
Yeah, so it's a Carve-Right, or if you guys have seen it under another name, it could be called CompuCarve, or it was at one point.
Yeah, but that's for the Sears thing, and I don't think they make them anymore.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
They got rid of that?
Well,
So-
that particular one was so bad, it kept breaking down, and people had to send them in or whatever.
But even though it was made by Carve-Right,
Exactly.
it was sold through Sears as a CompuCarve.
We had 2 CompuCarves. That's actually what we started with.
Right.
And those went out the door, and we strictly stuck and have
So
stuck. with-
even though the same company made it, it was in essence from appearance it was the same machine.
Right.
But there was something
There was
different.
something different on the workings, on the computer workings, because so many of the same breakdowns happened on the CompuCarve versus the breakdowns that happened on the Carve-Right.
Really?
So I don't know what they did. And
You never found out?
And it
'cause I
was
knew.
CompuCarve came from Sears. Never did. And the Carve-Right comes from the Carve-Right company.
Huh.
So go figure. I
Crazy.
still do not know. So
Why?
Luke Schultz wants to know if you're going to eat that orange or just play with it.
I'm softening it up for later.
that's
Luke.
his fidget spinner.
Yeah, I don't have my spinner, so
It's a
I'm
Nevada,
softening it up for later.
Nevada, not Arizona fidget spinner.
Yeah, so depending on how Vicky does behind the camera, it may become a projectile.
Ooh,
But
he doesn't. He must think that
Yeah,
big
see,
sister's going to back
that's
his
right. My
plate.
big sis will stand up for
Go
me.
back my
You
way.
never do that. Oh, he's getting so brave.
But Vicky loves orange juice. So it works out.
Yeah.
Anyway,
And you love your face, and if you want to keep it pretty, you better be nice.
all right, let's move on.
That was
Let's move
funny.
on.
Oh,
Oh, no. What is that, Jurassic Park? Vicky, that's Renee's phone going off.
hey, I'm doing a video.
All right, so this
Okay,
question,
fine. Goodbye.
as I said, I picked this question specifically because I knew Renee and Steve are going to be here. So this is from Jeff. And Jeff says, just wanted to thank you for getting me started with routering signs about 4 years ago. I purchased letters, pictures, bits, and lots of stuff from you guys over the years. I still watch your channel even though I no longer hand route signs. I've kind of moved over, I've moved over to using a CNC. It doesn't say what brand of CNC. For all the signs I make and sell. So it sounds like he's selling quite a few signs. I'm retired from the IT arena, so along with some technology, anything with technology has my name on it. My question, just curious why you, Vicky, and your dad haven't migrated in that direction. I know you have a laser machine, which is a flavor of CNC, and it absolutely is. CNC, by the way, stands for...
I do, Tessa.
Computer numerically controlled. So you can have a CNC router, but our lasers are CNC. Most people think when they say CNC, they think of a router, but lasers are CNC as well because they're computer numeric controlled. Anyway, my hand cut signs were never as good as yours. You have a steady hand, LOL. So there's a lot of different reasons why we did actually have a CNC at one time.
And it's mine now.
Yeah, that's right. We sent it to Alaska. Or yeah, we shipped it up there, didn't we?
I took it on the airplane with me.
Oh,
remember?
that's right. That's right. But even before that, 20, 30 years ago, we had a big CNC, although it wasn't really doing signs, it was doing production stuff on our wooden letters numbers. But once we started our YouTube channel and our spiel, our gig, our niche was teaching other people how to carve signs, we pretty much just stay in that lane, even though I try to do different things. I'll try different techniques and all of that. But being as that is kind of our niche, that's where people generally find us. And to be honest, on YouTube, you can find a lot of people doing CNC signs on YouTube. You just can. And there's not that many doing them freehand. And so we kind of figured we would stay in that lane, that freehand lane. Again, I've said this many, many times. I absolutely admire the just amazing things that can be done with the CNC.
Here.
But we just kind of, and this is what I wrote to Jeff, we kind of just stay in our lane and figured that was kind of where we're going to stay and do our training and everything. We're going to be expanding more into doing training online. This Zoom thing that we're doing is really working out well. So I think we're going to do more of that, along with having courses like our 7 Steps to Sign Carving Basics courses, which we still have people sign up for that all the time. So that's the reason we kind of decided to not go the CNC route, because there was a lot of people that were doing that, and we kind of feel like our wheelhouse is the freehand stuff. So that's the reason we decided to stay.
Steve.
Yeah, go over there and get the thing.
Come and pop your head in here and say hi.
Just real quick.
Okay,
Steve,
so here comes my
barbecue.
brother-in-law. He's the sign carver slash barbecue expert.
How we doing today?
Yeah.
So this
He's
is,
our little yard gnome.
yes.
I ought to get a royalty off all the gnomes they're selling
I
nowadays.
know.
How's the steaks coming?
They're right there. Now I'm going to
they're
go
all
down
done?
for the chicken.
Did you get the one by the pool or the one that we were
at,
messing
yeah,
with?
yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yep.
All right, cool.
Yep, everybody says hi, Steve.
Well, thank you very much. You need to come up here. We'll go barbecuing.
and go to Alaska and go fishing.
Come to Alaska, I'll take you fishing.
There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Steve's gonna go barbecue.
All right, so sign carvings of the day. Anyway, I hope that kind of clears that up because I do get that question once in a while about why we don't do more CNC. So,
Tessa says it's a lot more fun to route than to watch a machine do it.
I think it's right.
you know, I don't knock the CNC guys because they make some really cool stuff and there is some skill and talent involved in it. It's just not my thing. Anyway, Michael Tigner, first and second signs. So check that out.
Hold on, get down there.
For first and second sign, that's
He's in,
really impressive.
He's in what city? Anchorage.
Yeah.
Who is?
Anchorage, Alaska.
Steve.
Patrick Stiltner
Stiltner?
says I'm game for fishing.
Yeah, there's some great fishing up there. Vicky and I are going up this summer, hopefully.
I'm coming.
Park it, baby.
Jeez.
She almost got away. Vicky snapped her finger.
I was gonna bring the steaks over to show them
Oh, I'll go get it.
a visual.
Okay, then she'll allow that, I guess.
Bert
So
Greg
great.
says I'm glad that he has salmon in Alaska because we don't have very many in the Vancouver area.
Really, the salmon aren't running.
Michael, Michelle, sorry Michelle, Sarantino says I love the challenge of freehand cart routing.
Yeah. Hi, Michelle. We haven't talked for a while. Michelle Scarantino down. I think Michelle's down in Texas.
Oh, look at that. Wait.
Woohoo. Good job, Steve.
Yum.
Yowza.
Good job, Steve.
Steve,
Wow.
steaks off, chicken on.
Wow.
Yum.
Can't wait. Tim Graves. So he carved an oak cabinet door, used a profile bit, the 90, and gunstock stain. I really like that gunstock stain. I think that really brings out beautiful grains and stuff.
Rob Hall says now I'm hungry.
Great job, Tim. This is Mark
Griffey's.
Griffey's over in Australia. So now this one is interesting because you see the overlay letters
Hold it
there.
down, you're lifting it. There you go.
The overlay letters, even though they're scrolled, they're also inlaid. So he scrolled the backboard and inlaid them 3/8 of an inch because these red letters are a full 3/4 of an inch, and he set them in there 3/8 of an inch, that's very tough to do.
Jason Harrison says I was about to ready to grab one of those and you took them away.
That's why she took them away. The names are 3/4 inch thick inlaid, and I just did a great job on this,
awesome.
Mark. So Mark's over in Australia. Great job, Mark. Beautiful work, buddy. And this is Art Turner, very first sign. Look at that. And I think that looks like Denny Jones, again, one of his first signs, did a terrific job. That flag is not easy to carve. Those stars are really, really tiny. And for a first sign, first carvings, Denny, you did a great job, buddy. Beautiful work, man. Very, very nice.
We're back, I think.
Huh? We're back?
We're back.
So-
Sorry guys, our connection isn't great, so bear
Wow.
with.
Yeah, we maybe we should
Better
have.
than home.
Yeah. But again, as you guys
It's a
know,
little fuzzy, but it's okay.
this will be, we're recording this with the iPad. We'll be posting this, probably within the next week to 2 weeks over on the YouTube channel. So, anyway, guys, yeah, I think that is about it. I think we're going to sign off here. I hope this was helpful. I know it's a quick one, but if you guys have any questions, anything I can help with, be sure and email me, eric@makeawoodsign.com. If you have any questions for Renee or Steve, you can, how can they reach you?
Well, you guys can put the website up there or the email. It's Renee, that's RENE, at Steve and Sons Signs. Vicky, can you get me one of those magnets I brought? I make.
Oh, you got-
I have magnets that I make for
there you go.
for my tourists. And this should. I don't know if you can get a close up on it.
Hold on, just hold it still.
Okay. You guys get a screenshot of this or take a photograph, and it has all the information about us and our website and our carving, telephone numbers, and even a calendar.
and you guys are going to get a great treat tomorrow morning for the Zoom interview we did live with Steve and Renee. And you want to,
today, yeah.
if
We
you,
did a recording. We didn't do it live.
yeah, but it will post tomorrow morning
yeah.
on. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, it
Frank
will post.
Jenkins says, "Great to meet you, Mommy Renee."
Oh, thank
He
you.
wants you to adopt him.
It will. Renee and Steve went over some great marketing advice and ideas. You guys will see that tomorrow morning. Should post it about 3:30 in the morning, Arizona time. So,
Yeah, not me.
well, that's my normal time. Anyway, that's it, guys. We will. You guys have a great night. Have a great weekend. We will see you live, if everything goes right, live tomorrow night over on YouTube.
And I'll be watching because I'll still be here. You
You'll
guys
still
will
be here, yeah.
You guys
and
will
then
be at home.
Yeah, and then we got more things planned. So anyway, guys, we love you. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow night over on YouTube. Have a great night, everybody. Bye.
Bye.